Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting from Bogor. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Ida Royani. You can call me Ida. I am the first author this paper, and I am going to present the effectiveness of online teaching for new normal period FAUD student in West Bogor Regency. Let's go. The health and safety of student, teacher, district works, families, and community is a top priority in determining learning policies. The development of student and physico-social condition are also considered in the fulfilling desert service during the COVID-19 pandemic. The impact of the coronavirus in the desert world can be seen in the policies of the central, the two regional government providing policies to dismiss all desert institutions for the early childhood desert level to university. The learning planning process must also be carried on so that the indicator of active children's development can still be accounted for to the present. Learning in implication activity include opening, core and closing and state in FAUD standard. To alleviate learning difficulties during the COVID-19 era, emergency curriculum, the learning module can be used especially for FAUD and SD, where distance learning is considered very difficult. Constitution good for teacher convention present guardians and student. The learning module include description of activity based learning for teacher present and student for FAUD. The learning module is created of the principle of playing is learning. The learning process occurs when children play and carry out their activities. The module is expected to make it easier for teacher to facilitate and monitor student learning at home and help person get tips and strategies in assisting children to learn from home. The research was conducted using a quantitative descriptive survey research method. The survey method is a research method where the main data source and implication in obsession from respondent as the research sample. Using a questionnaire as the data collection instrument. Respondents in this study were FAUD teacher in Bogor district. Respondents in this study were 100 respondent and was conducted from September to October 2020. Data collection technique used interview. From the diagram above, it can be seen that as many as 77.8% or 78 PAUD teacher use the WA group application in the online learning process. As many as 12.1% or 12 PAUD teacher as the Zoom application. In the online learning process, 11.1% or 11 teacher use Google Meet in the online learning process, and some are using other online application, and some are still forced to still face to face with you using application to do learning. From the diagram above, it can be seen that as many as 55.6% or 55 PAUD teacher carry out the online learning process in accordance with the RVVH that has been made. Well, a 44.4% or 45 PAUD teacher carry out the online learning process not in accordance with the RVVH that has been made. Is data know that there are still PAUD teacher who carry out learning that is not good by the RVVH that has been designed to that in to the indicator of activity activity in effect of skill development cannot be measured. From the diagram data above, it can be seen that as many as 100% or 100% PAUD teacher use online learning a total of 12.5% or 12 PAUD teacher as the discussion method to conduct online learning with 12.5% or 12 PAUD teacher use the storytelling method to do online learning. Some teacher admit the online learning is not as effective as face-to-face learning because some materials must be explained directly and more completely. From the diagram above, it can be seen that 100% or 100 PAUD teacher do not agree that online learning continues to be a flat, and 44.4% or 44 PAUD teacher experience problem with four signal 11 to 1% do not have the quota 33.3 or 33 people face technical problem such as you are head student residents use for device. Conclusion. At FAUD level education institution, online learning in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic has not been activity. From the research finding, there are still FAUD teachers who are experiencing both technical and not textual problems in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. Early childhood teachers carry out online learning using emergency curriculum so as to reduce the daily learning implementation plan that has been made so that learning indicators are not can be measured. There are still many FAUD teachers who are not yet fluent in using online learning application. The learning method used is still dominant. If giving a segment to students, many FAUD teachers do not agree with online learning because it is not activity and not all present have adequate laptop or device for online learning. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.